Hi, my name is Bruce Schrage with Center Messaging Technologies. I wanted to show you a quick demo of Blue Messenger. It's a real-time statistics and messaging system designed for the contact center. It has a lot of controls built in for the contact center. I'm going to log on to Blue Messenger as it connects to the server. It can also be started set to auto login and start with Windows operating systems when you log in. Right off the bat, you can see that I have a daily message. A daily message is what we call a guaranteed delivery message. When a daily message is put into the system and given an active date, it will, once that date and time is active, it will be sent to all users that are currently logged in, and then it would also be sent to any new users as they log in. So this would be perfect for something like, hey, your time cards are due at the end of the day, or we're suffering a system outage of some sort. But anyway, the main purpose of the application is to display contact center queue statistics. So as you can see, the application is going to scroll through some queues here with information for the number of calls in queue, longest wait time, etc. And this can also be sped up a little bit. Users can be configured to see one-to-many queues. Seeing the number of calls in queues has many benefits and has shown ROI for a customer. If you can imagine things like you're transferring a call into a queue or something like that, you have no idea how long the customer is going to have to wait, whether somebody's available or not available, things like that. And the kind of statistics that you want to show with Blue Messenger is also configurable, and you can make it unique to your contact center. Now the stats can be set to either scroll or stream. I'll show you stream real quick. So when they stream, it's just like a ticker, and they can be sped up or slowed down to whatever speed you want to see them scroll. I'm going to go back to the scroll mode method just for a minute. As you can see, the individual queues have different colors associated with their display. These are thresholds that can be set, and that's configurable per queue as to what shows up as green, which is normal, and blue and red, which are the higher escalations. Now as a supervisor, you may want to give your supervisors the ability to see the presence of their team. So a configured team would be like the service team here. Users can be configured to see one team, many teams, just individuals. It's all configurable of who sees who in the contact center. For example, our current customer, their agents can't see each other. They can only see their supervisors, the help desk, and any other escalation groups that they may need access to. They cannot see each other, therefore agents cannot see each other, therefore they cannot send IMs to each other, which would lead to unproductive use of chat in the contact center. So it's all very configurable, lots of options with Blue Messenger that makes it a viable tool in the contact center. Now if you do allow instant messaging, there's one big benefit to that, is that your agents can have access to their supervisors or other escalation groups. Here's an example of a message I'm getting from an agent on the service team. It basically says, I have a caller on the phones that requesting a coupon price that expired yesterday. He's a VIP customer. Can I still offer it? Now simply, I just click on that message to go back seeing queues, but that doesn't mean the message is gone. It's in the IM window that came up when Megan had sent the message. But basically, it says, hey, it's a VIP customer. I can go look at Megan and say, Let me see the call information for the call she's currently on. So I bring it up and I can see the con ID, and I can see any attached key value pair along with the call information that I configure to be displayed when somebody wants to look at the call information. Now this would be like a supervisor management function. Agents may not even have the presence window if you want to go stats only for the agents, or they may not even be able to send IMs. They may just receive broadcast messages. So anyway, I can answer this, yes, offer the price. So, you know, right there I just showed you how effective that can be. Megan had a customer problem, a question, and got it answered without putting the customer on hold. It was quick. It was provided no hindrance to customer service, and she didn't have to transfer that call to a secondary queue. Or even if I would have wanted her to, I could have said in IM, yes, can you send me that customer? Here's my extension, etc. So it's more of a warm handoff of transfers. Now another feature of Blue Messenger is broadcast messaging capabilities. So designated people within your contact center can send broadcast messages out to a team, teams, or the entire contact center if that's what it needs. So here I have an urgent message. The current shipping date given by CRM is tomorrow. This date is incorrect. Please process shipping dates as March 1st and relate the same to your customers. Thanks, Director of Customer Service. So there again I have a message that was broadcast to everybody. It that can be done for anything from a system being down or relaying any kind of critical information that people need to know in the operations of your contact center. Now all the daily messages and broadcast messages are kept in the window, in this window here, so that they can be retrieved later for viewing, and this is helpful for somebody might be on a call or involved with a customer. When a broadcast or daily messages come in, they can look at it. And another good thing is that prior to the end of the day, we can have this window automatically pop when they go to log off, come up so they can look at their messages, or they can look at it, you know, before they go to lunch, before they go to end their day. This is helpful for things, messages that might be like, hey, fill out your time card at the end of the day, hey, reboot your computer at the end of the day for IT maintenance, or whatever the case may be. But a very effective real-time information use and within your contact center. That pretty much shows all the features in a very short demo. And I thank you for your time.